Hey guys, I just got this awesome kit, so we're gonna start up and just unbox it. It does come in this bag. Alright, there's actually a lot that comes in here. Let's take it all out. Alright, for now I'm just going to put this back on the side because there's a lot of stuff in here and I just put it everywhere. So at first we do have all of these guys. So these are perfect for small things. So just computer stuff and anything with small things in it. So let me show you a close-up of all of it. So this is what you get. So this would be like this small set. Let's just put this on the side for now. Now before I go on, I want to highlight this tray. It's actually a magnetic tray, so that's perfect. That's exactly what we want when we take out any screws or anything. They will stay here because this is magnetic. So you guys can see anything sticks to this, including this thing right here. It's a pretty good magnet. I'm just gonna put that on the side for now. So this guy, it's pretty big, pretty handy. Everything feels pretty good, by the way. So I can tell you right away, it does feel like pretty good quality. So I'm just gonna put this on this side. Now next thing, I'm gonna highlight these guys right here. So that's how they look like. So they are significantly bigger than these little dudes right here. So I want to show you that. So these are significantly bigger, have a good grip on them. They feel pretty good. Here's a quick close-up and we're gonna put them on the side as well. Let's just put them here for now. It's a lot of stuff to organize. So right now I'm just going to show you the other screwdrivers that come in here, and they're the big ones. So these guys are one of the biggest in this whole set, and they are quite big. So you guys can see, you guys get this, this, and this. Pretty standard stuff. It is magnetic. I want to just highlight that. So that's awesome. I'll put this up here, I guess, because those are the biggest ones. And we also get this set right here. So see this right here? This is so we can put all of these in here. So we can take out any of these guys, put it there, and then use it up. So again, extremely useful, and it feels like pretty good quality. Quality wise, it feels pretty good. Everything so far feels pretty good quality, I can tell you that. So right now I'm going to show you these little guys that came in the package. And yep, it's just the basics. So we do get a flat head, get this one as well, and then these dudes, which I never end up using these guys as much. I rarely use these, but that's just me. Depends what you guys do. Most likely you guys will end up using these a lot more. And yes, depending on the space, you do need these little guys sometimes. And the next set is right here. So we also get this. So it does have a fine point. It's good. Same goes with this. Kind of hard to get it in focus, but right now you guys can get a good look at what you guys are getting. And they're a decent size. So these are not tiny. They're just regular size. Well, forgot to show you this one. This one's also pretty small. So it does go together with these dudes right here. So we get 4 of those. We also get 3 of these. So these are slightly bigger, I would say medium size. So let me just put these on the side right here. And yes, we also get Allen keys, pretty standard. And since we're looking at those guys, might as well take a look at these as well. These are pretty interesting. So we also get these guys in the package. So it's a square tip. Yeah, everything's pretty basic for what we get. We're also getting these 2 in the package. For my own purposes, this one's a little bit more useful. This type of head, I've almost never used it for my own personal purposes. But Again, these are pretty standard size, so medium size-ish. Later on, I'm going to do a zoom out so you guys can see everything that you guys get. We also have these two. Here's a quick close-up of these two. Standard size, medium size-ish. Not the huge ones. I'm going to put those on the side. And the final one is just a bit smaller than the other ones. So that's a close-up so you guys can see exactly where you're getting. So right now you guys can see everything that we're getting within the set, which does include this bag right here. And would also like to highlight that we do have lifetime warranty that we get for these tools with Mastercraft. And amazingly, everything does actually fit in here, which is great. I mean, it did come in here, but sometimes it's hard to get it back in. And this was pretty easy. So it's a pretty good storage space, especially for all that. Anyways, that was the quick unboxing of these tools. Hopefully you guys liked it and found it a little bit useful anyways. But at least now you know exactly what you guys are getting if you're thinking of buying this set. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.